Yeah, what's good, bro? I used to waste hours every single day just scrolling on my phone. I would have 5, 6, 7, 8 hours, sometimes even more screen time. You may relate. And the thing I did then to try and reduce my screen time was I obsessed over the screen time, which was fucking stupid. I'll get to later in this video why that's so stupid to actually obsess over the screen time in and of itself. I started obsessing over the activity instead. And that's what I tell my students to do as well. And when I finally made that change, I actually reduced my screen time. I actually fucking quit everything. So I waste 0 minutes on my phone a day. The only screen time I have is like on the camera app on my phone. I record like some documenting shit. I do like the scripts as like, cause I'm technically like gaining screen time as we speak. And I have my screen time on like WhatsApp and stuff like that. So other than that, I have no fucking screen time. I don't waste time. I don't even watch YouTube videos. That's how like serious I am about this stuff. So how do you make this change? How do you actively go from obsessing over the screen time to looking at the activity instead? So also, if you want like guaranteed results, first link in the description, it will help you out massively. So you need to set up binary decisions for yourself. So instead of you, like for example, coming home from work, school, the gym, you sit down and you're like, oh yeah, scrolling is like bad for me, but it's like, oh, it's not that bad if I just like scroll once, right? Scrolling once doesn't do anything. And you're right, scrolling once doesn't do anything, but if you break a principle, which is the second thing, is like it's setting principles, making the binary decisions of if I scroll, I fucked up. And a very good metaphor that I've started to use, I came up with it a little while ago, is like scrolling when you said that you shouldn't scroll is like it's like an inverse lottery ticket. Lottery tickets, you get one and you might win very big and you lose almost all of the times. With this scrolling, you might get a good laugh out of scrolling one short, but there's a very high probability, or there is just a probability that you accidentally like, oh yeah, then you scrolled another video and another video and another video, and then you go down the rabbit hole. And taking to the logical extreme, this is you going to bed and then scrolling because you messed up so much. You wake up and then you just start scrolling immediately. This is you going into a massive rut just because you watch one video. Because how do you think the massive rut starts? It starts from just one video. That's it. So set binary rules for yourself. Don't ever allow one video. Don't allow one video, because this is what happens. You fall into the massive rut. You start scrolling heavily. And some of my like business friends who are like helping me, I'm like my friend, just my business friends, right? They're telling me like I remember he sent me a reel, right? And I was like, bro, I don't watch reels. And he's like, oh yeah, bro, but it will help you. And I'm like, yeah, bro, but I don't watch reels. And it's like he didn't get it, but then he was like, oh yeah, fuck, bro, this guy is so right. I finally like, not finally, but I was like, I get it, mad respect, because I know, I just view myself, okay, if I watch one reel, I didn't follow the rules. My rules are no reels. I know that if I will watch one reel, one short, anything like that, there is a probability that I fuck up. And if I fuck up, there is a probability that I keep fucking up. And that way I will fall into a rut. Like, there's a probability. It's not worth it. It's never worth it. So just keep that rule for yourself. So never break a rule. Even though some of your friends sent you a reel or something like that, and they really encourage you to watch it. If your granddad, your dad, your mom, whoever sent you some meme or something where you have to open the app or open it through Chrome or whatever, don't do it. Don't open it. It's not worth it. Just don't watch it, right? So yeah, with the inverse lottery. So this is kind of how I view it. I see every single person, if you have just some form of discipline, if you are disciplined in any area, then I would define you as having two versions of yourself, because you have the disciplined version of yourself, which is the version that is probably right now. You're watching this video, you're like educating yourself, you're kind of using a bit of discipline to consume this video. You're going to the gym, you're working on the business. That's the disciplined version of yourself. But you also have the procrastinating version of yourself. Now, what is the procrastinating version of you? The procrastinating version is you, for example, you when you're scrolling. It's you when you're watching like the TV show. It's you when you do all of these bad habits. And when you are the procrastinating you don't have the same control that you have when you are the disciplined version of yourself. For example, right now, I could give you an urge to scroll short form content, but the urge wouldn't really form and you wouldn't get consumed by it because you are disciplined right now. But I think you know what I mean. When you get into the what is it called? Like the procrastinating mood, the work is like really difficult, let me just like scroll or something like that. And then everything gets you. It gets to you, you start scrolling, you start messing up, you start fucking up everything. So if you make the binary decisions, the binary rules for yourself, even though you are procrastinating, you know that it's breaking one of your standards. A very good example for this would be, you probably don't smoke. If you do smoke, I'm very sorry, but let's just assume for this example that you don't smoke, right? If I offered you a cigarette, right? If I offered you a cigarette and I asked you, yo bro, you wanna smoke? You wanna smoke? Your response to that would probably be no, or you wouldn't really have to like abstain from it or anything like that because your standards are higher than that. Even though you are procrastinating, you're in the like procrastinating mood, you wouldn't have to abstain from the cigarettes because you just don't smoke. It's one of your principles. It's the same with me, for example, now. If I'm procrastinating, it's literally me just avoiding work and it's me like listening to an audiobook or something like that. It's not that bad. It's like my standards are just higher. I could not imagine myself sitting down watching a TV show now. I could not imagine myself sitting down consuming a movie, scrolling short form content or anything like that. So yeah, set higher standards for yourself. Never break the rules, set very clear boundaries for yourself. A boundary could literally just be, I don't watch short form content on my own anymore. And I really suggest, like, bro, I could tell you everything, but if you don't hear it face to face, most of the time it doesn't truly hit. It's like, you will get the best results if you click on the first link in the description. I will basically force you to go from A to Z and it's guaranteed. So yeah, click on the first link in the description, take some action. Have a good rest of your day. See you, brother.